to my channel and to day 14 of the Earth Month Challenge. Today's challenge is to unplug for a day. Now, I did this over this past weekend, so this is a nice little montage of what we did during our unplug day, and hopefully it gives you some ideas of what you can do without having to rely on electronics. We had a lot of fun. It was just a great day getting to take a step back from social media, everything that's going on in the news, and just enjoy doing things that we enjoy that don't have to do with the screen. So the next couple minutes of this video is just a nice montage of what we did that day, and it'll hopefully give you some good ideas of things you can do while you unplug for a day. Trust me, your mental health will thank you for this break. So I hope you guys enjoy.